Imagine being able to automate your social media presence and online reputation by quickly addressing online complaints and negative reviews, but with the risk of escalating conflicts. That's where Dispute Beast comes in, a platform designed to help businesses resolve their online disputes. But is it worth using in 2026? Let's dive in and find out. Dispute Beast offers a range of features, including AI-powered dispute resolution tools, customizable workflows, and integrations with popular social media platforms. However, the pricing plans are a bit confusing, with a free plan available, as well as a personal and business tier. The free plan allows for 10 disputes per month, while the personal tier costs $49 per month and offers unlimited disputes. The business tier costs $99 per month and adds additional features such as advanced analytics and priority support. In terms of user feedback, some reviewers have praised Dispute Beast for its ease of use and effectiveness in resolving online disputes, but others have criticized it for its limited customization options and lack of advanced features. Overall, Dispute Beast seems to be a solid option for small businesses and individuals looking to manage their online reputation, but may not be the best fit for larger organizations or those requiring advanced dispute resolution capabilities.